Friends, you want to walk through the Paloma Health website with me? It's time for me to register my sample kit and get an appointment scheduled. Let me show you their website really quickly and we'll register my kit together. I've been using Paloma for, let's look back at my lab results. I've been using them since November 2021. That's when I first discovered Paloma and started using them for my Hashimoto's disease. They have tons of resources at their website. You can see they've got thyroid guides. They have a whole community that you can connect with, articles, recipes. You can see your lab trends. And over time, they help to get my lab results, my TSH, down into the normal range. Let's register my kit. So I'm going to go to my dashboard. I'm going to register my kit. I have my blood test sample kit here right now. Now I'm just going to put in the serial number on the kit and submit. If you want, you can add on some additional testing. I'm not going to do that today, so I'm just going to click skip and wait while it registers. Now I've got a video that I can watch showing me how to collect my blood sample. It's just a finger prick, real simple, and that's it. I'll collect my sample, drop it in the mail, and I'll show you when it's time to schedule an appointment.